welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all super well. Bleached roots, you know what that means. I'm ready to dye my hair again. Super excited. So I have just had my roots done at the salon local to me. I go to a guy called James. I'll pop a link below to his Instagram. Check him out. He's so good at doing my hair, and I've been to him for like the last 5 times, I reckon. I've had my hair bleached by him. Highly recommend him. So yeah, he's in the Colchester, Essex area. So dyeing my hair today. Now I had thought I was going to do split down the middle, half blue, half purple, but when I was sat in the salon, I had a look at a poster, a Goldwell poster on their wall. Then I had a little look on the Goldwell Instagram account, and I've been really inspired by this hairstyle. So I'm going to give it a go at kind of creating my own take on it. So I'm going to be adding in some streaks of darker blue, purple. I've got like a bright pink, which I know will probably go a more like pinky purple my hair. Yeah, I've got a couple of different shades, couple of different brands, and yeah, I really hope you enjoy watching me dye my hair. I'm actually going to keep my roots like this. I think it looks quite cool and it's a little bit different. And then I'm going to blend the other colours in here and there, and I'm just going to mess around and see what I come up with, and hopefully it looks good. So let's get dyeing. The hair dye is on. That was actually quite hard to apply and time consuming, grabbing little bits. You'd think that it would be really quick to just grab, do that bit, that colour, but I actually struggled on the bottom section because the hairs are so short. But yeah, I mean, let's see what it looks like when I wash it out. I'm kind of hoping that it's going to have all these different colour strands, and then when it looks straight and curled, it's going to look good. We shall see. I've not done a look like this for a while, and I've never done one like this with blonde roots before. So yeah, wish me luck. I'm going to leave it on for about half an hour, then I'm going to wash it out, and fingers crossed it looks okay. So I'll be back in a sec. Right guys, I'm back. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, well I can definitely see darker strands. Okay, let's get it brushed. I feel like we're gonna see the full effects when it is curled. Okay, isn't it too bad? It looks kind of similar to what it was before. Although there is definitely some purple in there and some darker strands of blue. So yeah, let's get it dry, let's get it curled, and then we can see what it looks like. Okay. This is the finished look. What do we think? So I was a little bit worried, to be honest, when I blow dried it and then saw it straight, because I feel like this isn't really a hairstyle you can have straight. It looks so lush curled with all the different colors like coming through and kind of blending in with each other, and yeah, it's just like really giving this like a really mermaidy tonal hair look, and I actually love it. So cute. But yeah, this is definitely a look where I'm gonna have to either wave or curl my hair pretty much every day, to be honest, if I'm going out and about and for my videos and stuff. But I kind of don't mind that because I love this hairstyle cut this short. I'm happy I went with this length, and yeah, I think it looks really cute curled. I really like it. And the great thing is that when my roots start coming through, I can change my hair up again for you lot, which I know you're gonna love. But yeah, I'm actually really liking this. It worked really, really well. So this is a great idea for if your hair is stained blue or stained green or something, and you kind of want to mix things up, but you don't want to bleach your hair, maybe. I mean, to be honest, like I love changing my hair so much that it is hard when your hair gets stained. But yeah, this is a great look that you can do if your hair is stained blue, adding in some lovely bits of purple, some deeper blues, a bit of a pink that's kind of, the pink has kind of made my hair go more of a lilac, so like these lighter tones coming through, which is really nice. But yeah, oh my god, I'm loving it, and I really, really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Sorry about the lighting and stuff. I've kind of got a new setup in my studio at my new house, and I've got my new lighting ordered and coming and my setup, so it will change soon. So yeah, sorry this looks a bit dark and very shadowy, very sorry about that. But yeah, really, really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in another video here very, very soon. Peace out.